Hey, it's your favorite channel in the world. I gotta get my tissues out of the way, or towels. I was just putting screen protectors on my camera. I scratched my screen already. Yeah, and then I tried to sand it and it just didn't work out right. I got a half-ass. Don't sand screens that get anti-glare coatings on them. But this will work. You barely even can tell. But here's the deal. There's what the point of the video is. You get an Xbox controller, 360 or PC. But the problem is that commonly these things will break right here. Right here, the wires break. So it kept on flexing this way and that way. So I was like, man, I gotta get a piece of wiring loom on here, you know, give it some support. I was gonna tape it. I might still tape it, maybe not. But what you gotta do is get a piece, probably like 1/4 inch or something. 1/4 inch. You put your drugs in there and smoke it in plastic. Yeah, so you just put that on there, and that gives it this extra support, and the thing bends so much less. You can actually, because Chinese in China is awesome, but it really isn't awesome at the same time. I'm saying it's awesome. They make replacement cords for these things, which are like $2 from China. I might hoard one. It's actually a pretty good idea. Or you have to cut back the wires and solder this to the board. It's kind of a pain. You're better off spending $2 for the Chinese cord. That's the deal. Maybe that will save it. Piece of wiring loom, 1/4 inch, I believe that is. Maybe it's less than 1/4 inch. I don't know. Like the one of the smallest sizes they make. And just cut it so it's on the strain relief and kind of hitting this little transformer thing over here. And you see, like it doesn't move around. You can like push it and stuff, and it used to just fold all the way back, and that would break the wires. No, it doesn't. Quick tip. This thing is beat. Like I lost more stickers. Beat. Gotta take it apart and change that soon. There it is, there's a bunch of them. Also like $3. They're $4. You can get it from China, you can get that, which is really cool, I think. They were selling like hotcakes. And you sell today, like they're even selling them today. Boom, 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 boom. That's a cool one though. And I see on my screen now, I got marks in it. God damn it, from sanding it. This thing's messed up. Use screen, I ruined it already, but it still works.